Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, in this video I will be watching a lyric video. Now this does not have the subtitles, so you guys can let me know the overall meaning of the song. I missed out on reacting to the song. This is from Surya's upcoming film Retro. This song is called Kannadi Puve, and I just want to see, I know who Santosh Narayanan is the music director. I just want to see who has sung this song. So the singer, Santosh Narayanan himself has sung the song. Lyrics are by Vivek, but I won't be able to understand as this is a Tamil song and this does not have the subtitles. But I'm here to enjoy the song nonetheless in terms of how it sounds, how the music is. And let's not delay this any further. I'm extremely excited for this film. And Surya looks amazing. Pooja Hegde also looks really, really amazing. Their chemistry looks fire. And let's listen to the song right away. Oh, it's very dramatic. See?
கண்ணால என் கண்ணோட மோதும் கண்ணாடி பூவே நீ தாண்டி உன்னோட நான் ஒன்னாக வேணும் வேற எதுவும் வேணாண்டி அடி என்னாடி நீ அழகிய நெஞ்சு அல்லாடுதே முன்னாடி நான் அழகிய இப்ப தள்ளாடுறேன் கால் போகாதடி நீ விட்டாலுமே
I think it's the first time I'm hearing him sing.
சுட்டாலுமே உனக்குள் பிறந்து உனக்குள் மறிக்கும் ஒரு ஆண் பறவை என்ன பாரடி.
Okay. Oh, nice. I like the instrumental. That flute is nice.
பாவமடிய நெஞ்சு சின்ன எறும்பாச்சு கால வச்சு என் காலம் மேல ஏறி போச்சு நாளா இங்க யாரடி நீதான் மொத்தம் பாரடி காதல் வேற ஏதடி நீ நான் மட்டும் தானடி கொடி என் வண்ண கிளி என் உள்ளால உன்னால காயம் வழி கண்டே நடி என் அன்பான கூடு நீயும் நம்ம சேர்ந்து தொட்ட பூ மரம் மலர் மலரா பொழியும்.
Oh wow, I like this.
கண்ணால என் கண்ணோட கண்ணாடி பூவே நீ தாண்டி உன்னோட நான் ஒன்னாக வேணும் வேற எதுவும் வேணாண்டி அடி என்னாடி நீ அல்லாடுதே கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி நான் பழகிய இப்ப தள்ளாடுறேன்.
Oh, I like behind the scenes. I like watching behind the scenes.
இருட்டுக்காடு ரெண்டே பேர் இடையே கோடு.
Oh, I like the melody switch.
நான் வாழும் கம்பி கூடு நேத்தெல்லாம் காத்து கூறாச்சே நித்தமும் நேர போராச்சே உன் முகம் பார்க்கும் நாளாச்சே வாழவே ஆசையாச்சே வண்டார் கொடி என் வண்ண கிளி என் உள்ளால உன்னால காயம் வழி கண்டே நடி உயிர் கொண்டே நடி என் அன்பான கூடு நீயும் மறையாதே இந்த காதலும் மழை மழையா பொழியும். கண்ணால என் கண்ணோட மோதும் கண்ணாடி பூவே நீ தாண்டி உன்னோட நான் ஒன்னாக வேணும் வேற எதுவும் வேணாண்டி அடி என்னாடி நீ அழகிய நெஞ்சு அல்லாடுதே அழகிய கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி நான் அழகிய இப்ப தள்ளாடுறேன். அழகிய இப்ப தள்ளாடுறேன்.
Love, laughter, and war. 1st May. Oh no, I might not be here on 1st May. Oh no, I would be, I think I would be traveling. I think so. I'm not, it's not confirmed, but I might be traveling. We'll see. We'll cross that bridge when it comes. Okay, let me stop this. I thought there was a beautiful ease to the song. Like the song was not rushing into anything, right? Because there was a very consistent rhythm into the song, and the vocals, I am guessing that there is some sort of pain. Now, because I don't know the meaning of the lyrics, my guess here is that what Santosh Narayanan is singing here has to do with some sort of pain and longingness. That's what I feel. Because of his cadence and the way his delivery was of the lines, of the lyrics, it felt to me that way. When it comes to melody, I think it had a very hauntingly sad melody. I wouldn't call it a very happy, chirpy melody. There was, like, that's why I said it felt to me that there's a sense of longingness, because even the melody suggested to me that it was more on the sadder undertone. And I think it is a song that would probably hit you more emotionally if you're alone and if you're just with yourself and listening to it. Like, you wouldn't, this is just guesswork from how I perceived the song by hearing it without knowing any lyrics. So you can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. So like I was saying, that you would want to listen to the song not with a group of people, and you would probably want to be alone with your thoughts and then listen to this particular song. I think that it was a mix of a lot of things, and for some reason it took its own sweet time to deliver its emotion, because even the way he was singing, you can hear that he was really not rushing into the words. There was a nice ease to the entire song, like, you know, let's breathe in the words, let's breathe in the lyrics, let's breathe in the music. Because the kind of, and Santosh Narayanan is absolutely amazing when it comes to instrumentals. I absolutely love the kind of instrumentals he incorporates, and that's why I said when the music started, I felt that, oh, this sounds very dramatic. And there's a lot of drama when it comes to the instrumentals throughout. I specifically loved the little bit of flute that was used, and also especially in the beginning. I'm guessing it was cello. I don't know, like this one. It feels to me like this is cello. Is it given in the description? Because sometimes, you know, the instruments are given. Oh yes, it says bass, violins. Okay, it could be maybe flute. Yes, flute. The flute part was beautiful. The flute part was absolutely beautiful. So maybe I'm wrong, it is not the cello, because initially when it started I thought it was like the cello. Maybe cello sounds, I think cello sounds a little bit more like the notes are even lower from this. So I don't know. I'm not a musical person, but this is just out of interest. Beautiful song. I think, I don't know why I missed out on it. And it is, when this dropped, it came into my recommendation and then I completely forgot about it. And recently one of my subscribers, he reminded that, you have actually missed out on this song. And then suddenly it clicked, oh my God, I was actually supposed to react to this particular song. And I'm glad that today I finally recorded this. And I cannot wait for this film, because there seems to be a lot of, I felt that the song had a lot of nuance in terms of its instrumentals and the way Santosh was singing it. Maybe the lyrics also, now in lyrics I cannot comment, but I felt that with the teaser as well, with the glimpse that was dropped, I first loved the music, the way the glimpse was shown to us. It's just two people having a conversation and it just felt so raw and real. So I feel that this movie probably is going to have a lot of nuance when it comes to presentation of the characters, of the story, of the music, of the dialogue, and I believe in that because it's getting directed by Karthik. So there is that entertainment quotient what we see, but with a lot of nuance, because Karthik, I feel, is a very good storyteller. So please, for those who can just write a small snippet of this is what the song is about, I would be very, very happy to read that comment. But overall, I enjoyed the song. It's a very beautiful song. Like I said, I felt bittersweet listening to the song in a way, but I also felt a sense of calm. but the main thing that which I got out of it was it felt to me that it's more of longing inside your heart, like there was some sort of pain inside the heart. That's why I said bittersweet. So yes, beautiful song, Kannadi Poove, and that was my reaction. I'm gonna sign off now. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you soon on my next one. Bye.